Hello, welcome in this tutorial video. Today we will discuss WriteCream AI 4-step article writing feature. So let's get started. So the first step is open WriteCream AI website on browser. Then click on the Get Started for Free option. After that, you will see the login option here. You can simply log in, or if you don't have an account, you can sign up also. Once you logged in, you will be taken directly to the dashboard menu where you can see many features. But for article writing, you have to click on 4-step article writing feature. You have to follow these 4 steps to create your article. So let's get started. So the first step is you need to write the topic of your article and click on generate. Once you click generate, the AI will give you many topic ideas. You can select the one that seems right for you. Now click on the next step. In this step, you need to write the title of your article. The title should be more specific, concise, and often catchy compared to the topic. Now click on the generate button and the AI will create several titles for your article. You can select one you like. Now moving to the next third step, the AI will ask you to write a short intro about your article. So you can use Google to find a short introduction and copy it and paste it here. Now AI will provide you several introductions with outlines. You can select the one that fits your needs. Now AI will provide you several introductions with outlines. You can select the one that fits your needs. Now moving forward to the fourth and final step, review all the information that you have provided through these 3 steps, whether it's topic, title or introduction, and then click on the final generate button. Fourth and final step, AI will create a full article according to your instructions. Now review it, and if you like it, you can export and download it or simply copy it. And that's all. You have successfully easily created your article by following these 4 steps with the help of WriteCream AI. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more informative videos with us.